Paul Bourgeois, Project Manager, Federal Signal. Since 2015, G-Series signaling platform has used an innovative design with advanced capabilities to be a cost-effective signaling solution for industrial applications. Global certifications ensure G-Series meets minimum hazardous location, environmental, and performance requirements. Decreased form factor and efficient connection methods reduce installation costs. Multi-device fixtures meet varying functional requirements in a standardized form factor. Initially released in black color housings, G-Series is now available in red. Red color devices are associated with emergency audible and visual signaling and complement our existing fire-rated strobe and sounder. Soon G-Series will be available with EN54 certification, North American UL, private mode fire, and 30-watt audibles. G-Series currently includes xenon strobe beacons, LED beacons, audible sounders, and both powered and passive loudspeakers. Whether your certification requirements are North American UL Class I Div 2, Zone 1, ATEX, IECEx, G-Series meets project requirements. Refer to fedsig.com for more information on G-Series and Federal Signal signaling solutions.